Hello friends, this is Jiten Singh Jat and today I am going to explain how to prepare asset disposal account in both condition when provision for depreciation account is maintained and when provision for depreciation account is not maintained. Children, it is very simple to prepare asset disposal account. Okay, whenever any asset is sold only on that date, only for that particular purpose, asset disposal account is prepared. It means it is prepared only when the asset is sold. Remember, asset disposal account. Today, I am giving very simple formula. By using this simple technique formula, you can prepare the asset disposal account very easily. Okay, dear children. So just pay attention. So today, the first point which I am going to explain, that is asset disposal account when provision for depreciation account is maintained. It means when we prepare provision for depreciation account, at that time, how do we prepare asset disposal account? So let's start, children. So I have just explained that asset disposal account is prepared only on that particular date on which the machine, land, building is sold. Any fixed asset has been sold. Suppose we take an example on 1st October, any asset has been sold. So what we write? We write in debit side to asset account. Maybe land, maybe building, maybe machine, okay, to asset account. And what we write in amount column? Listen carefully. I am writing in the bracket cost of asset. Cost of asset means the purchase price of the asset when this asset was purchased 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago. Okay, so that is the cost of asset which is recorded here in the debit side. I hope this first point is clear. Okay, then on the same date, in credit side, we write by provision for depreciation account. Provision for depreciation account. Now, dear children, what do we write in this provision for depreciation? We write total depreciation. It is very simple to calculate also. We write total depreciation of sold asset. So simple. So it's a very simple formula you can apply anywhere. What you need to write? Total depreciation of sold asset, the asset which has been sold. You need to calculate total depreciation. Total depreciation means from the date of purchase up to the date of sale. You need to calculate total depreciation. That will be recorded in the credit side under the account by provision for depreciation account. And then on the same date, we have taken a assumption of 1st October, that on 1st October asset has been sold. So on the same date on 1st October, you need to write selling price in the credit side. What we write? By bank. This is sale value. Sale value is also recorded in credit side. If there is a loss on sale, then loss on sale is also recorded in credit side under the account by profit and loss account. If there is loss on sale of asset, but what if there is profit on sale of asset? If there is profit on sale of asset, then it will be recorded in debit side under the account to profit and loss account. This is profit on sale of asset, or you can say gain. If there is profit, then it will come in debit side. If there is a loss, then it will come in credit side. Is there any difficulty? It is very simple to prepare asset disposal account. It's very simple. Okay, now I will explain one more part. Asset disposal account when provision for depreciation account is not maintained. How to prepare? So children, let's see. Asset disposal account in second condition when provision for depreciation account is not maintained. It means we are not preparing provision for depreciation account. In that condition, how do we write? How do we prepare asset disposal account? It's very simple, children. Again, see the formula. Suppose an asset has been sold on 1st October. So we have taken imaginary figure. Okay, on 1st October one asset has been sold, maybe building, machine, anything. So we start from 1st October debit side. What we write here? Now again we write here to asset account. If it is building, we write to building account. If it is machinery, we write to machinery account. Okay, now what we write here? because we do not maintain provision for depreciation account. Okay, children. So what we write here? We write return down value. What we record? We record return down value of this asset which has been sold on this date. So return down value of the asset which has been sold on this date on 1st October is recorded in the debit side of asset disposal account. Remember, the asset which has been sold, its return down value is recorded here. Its return down value on 1st October is recorded in the debit side. This is you need to understand. And then what we write in credit side, we prepare asset disposal account only on the date which has been asset has sold. So on 1st October, we write depreciation because we do not maintain provision for depreciation account. When we do not maintain provision for depreciation account, dear children, we write by depreciation account. Now, what amount will come here? Here, the depreciation of current year of sold asset will come here. So simple. Depreciation of current year. If machine remains in the business in current year only for 6 months, then only 6 month depreciation will come. If machine remains or building remains only for 8 months, then depreciation for 8 months will come here in the credit side. I hope this point is clear. Depreciation of current year of sold asset will be recorded in the credit side. Then everything will be same on 1st October. We have sold the asset. So its selling price will come. By bank account, sale value will come. And then if there is loss on sale of this asset, then loss on sale of asset is recorded in credit side under the account by profit and loss account. This is loss on sale of asset. Or if there is profit on sale of asset, then it will be recorded in the debit side to profit and loss account. Profit and gains are recorded here. If profit is there, then it will be recorded in debit side. This is how asset disposal accounts are prepared when provision for depreciation account is maintained and when provision for depreciation account is not maintained. I hope this concept is clear to everyone. Yes, dear children. Thank you and keep watching my videos.